Hi, today I'm at Harper's Food in Pepperstock, Bedfordshire. They're hosting an event. Now, many business owners who I speak to, they struggle to create content, especially for the video. They struggle what to video. Well, if you are hosting an event, you ought to video it because of two reasons. First of all, you got original video content. Secondly, you can use the video content to promote and market future events so that people can see what your event was all about and how it was. And if you can get customer testimonials during the event, or your clients or visitors to your event to say a few words to the camera about the event, even better. So don't miss out on this, and it's a great opportunity to create video content by recording your videos.